Patrick Bailey with whiteboardcoder.com. Today is March 19th, 2017, and I'm going to fix the door handle on this 1999 Toyota Sienna that my wife broke off. I guess they break, but my wife kind of felt Amazonian that day and broke this off and gave a tribal scream. Now, I already fixed this front one today, and I have a video for that, so I'll put a link here. But now I need to go fix this back one. Also, I bought a replacement on Amazon.com, and I'll put a link to that. It's just simple. It's black, so it's not going to match, but this car is old and ugly, so I don't really care. I just want to get it working. Here's the actual door handle I ordered from Amazon. It's a Dorman 8359 Toyota Sienna sliding driver passenger side replacement exterior door handle. That's the exact one I ordered. It's the one I'm putting in here right now, and it's working. So I'll put a link to the Amazon product page on the show notes here, just in case you need to get it. So, but this one's just simply black. You might need to go somewhere else to order ones that might do color matching. I don't know about that. I don't actually care about that. But this is the one I ordered, just black. Okay, so first I need to take this door off, which is actually pretty easy. So all you got to do first is you got to pop this thing out, which is hooked underneath. So you got to, I shouldn't say hooked underneath, but kind of pop it out that way on the bottom. You can see this kind of hooks like that. All you gotta do is pop that off, and there's one screw, and that is it. And then you can pop the door off. And you have to just start getting a tool. I've already taken this door off a couple times, so it might come off easier, but just gotta get underneath there and work your way around. And pop the door off. Comes off that easy. Oh, door is off. And pull that back, and here is the old one in here. So I need to go take that off. I need to go take that guy out now. So now you can see there's two bolts I need to take off. So there's a bolt right up there. It's a 10mm bolt. And there's also, it's probably hard to see, there's another one right over here, a 10mm bolt. So I just need to pull those off real quick. If I got my tool. I'll also make life easier, I got a really long extender here to make it simple. Now, you probably want to put your hand in here underneath it just in case you drop it, which I've done a couple times. Because otherwise it'll go down on that door well, and that's going to be fun to figure out, fun to find. Okay, there's one, and then let's see what I can do for two. There we go. Okay, I got it. Just go slow, and then the whole thing that comes off now, but I do have, this guy is attached, and I saw somebody, so that's what's going to pull there. So it's kind of like a bicycle. If you look on your bicycle, you'll see things like this where they got the pulley system. So I'm going to take this and put something there to hold it up so it's a little bit looser up here. And then I can probably pop it out. Well, maybe. Need it to. Okay, let me go look at that a little closer and figure that one out. Okay, I think I figured it out now, so I need to take this, pull it out. There we go, and then I'm about to drop this. Ta-da, it's off. That wasn't too bad. Now I just got to put the new one on, which is somewhere. Ah, there it is. So now there's the new guy. I think I should probably put one of the bolts on first. There we go. And I'll just get one bolts in. I think I'll do it by hand, just get back there and just kind of get it on so it's not wiggling around. Just get a hand snug. And then take this guy that I took off before and hook him. You see that? See, I hooked it in there. Do it again. So there you go. So hook it down in there, put it around, pull it until that red part is going, snapping in that center. There we go, so now it looks all pretty. And then I just got to put the other bolt in the front. Let me sneak in here. Push it into the nails a little bit. There we go, it's gonna bite now. Had to go hold it from the other side so to get a bite on there. Okay, so I think I just have to tighten this up and I think I'm done. That was way easier in the front. Tighten that up. Tighten that up. I'm going to take this guy out. So now that in theory should work. And I'll just put this plastic back out. I need to put the door back on. Should just pop all the way around. Looks good. And take gotta put my one screw back in. Pop that back in. I think we're good, so let's just go outside and test it. Okay, so it works. Looks strong, looks flush. There you go. So that's how you replace your side panel door. Oh. Let me try to lock it first, just to get that test done. It should still lock, I'll make sure. Okay, locked. Locked. Okay, good. Open. Oh, no, open one. There we go. There you go. Ta-da! Done. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a like. To subscribe, just click the subscribe button. Also, you can follow me on Twitter under the handle @whiteboardcoder.com. View any code I may have thrown up as a gist at GitHub under the username PatmanDenver, or check out my blog site at whiteboardcoder.com.